Hi guys, welcome back to this tutorial. Today I'm teaching you how to make a triangular hijab. So to make this, we'll be needing our lycra material, a drawing material for our hijab. You can simply use your crepe material, any fabric of your choice. So to start with, we'll be needing our tape measure, of course, and our scissors, then my ruler, my straight ruler to connect my line, and my chalk. So I'm using 1.5 trouser of lycra material, drawing material, as you can see. So on my measurements, I have my head circumference to be 20 inches, and I added 1 inch swing, and I was making 21. Then I have my hijab length to be 35 inches, and I'm going to subtract 3 inches from my hijab cap. That makes it 33 inches. So if I subtract 3 inches from 35 inches of my hijab length, that's 33 inches. So I'll be measuring 33 inches here. And then I have my open head to be my front head, the one that is open here like this to be my front, and then the back is folded like so, as you can see. So let's begin. So guys, to start with, I'm going to be making a V shape or a triangular shape this way. I'm going to bring this open edge of my fabric to the closed edge here. Remember I said the open edge is our front and then the closed edge is our back. So I'm going to bring it like so, just like you see me do. I'm going to simply bring this open edge like this, and I'll bring it to the back here like so, and then I'll make sure they align like this. Then we are going to measure out our measurements for the back. Remember our full length for this hijab is 35 inches. So we have our 35 inches. We are going to mark it out like this. We'll start from this edge, this particular edge here, like this. We are going to start from this edge. Then we'll mark out our 32 inches. Remember we subtracted 3 inches from our full length. That makes it 32 inches. So we are going to mark out our 32 inches round like this. We'll bring it here and measure out the same thing. Bring it to this place as well. Make sure that your tape measure stays at that particular edge there. At this edge, make sure that you have your tape measure there. So we are simply going to measure out our 32 inches. Then we are going to do the same thing round like so. Ensure that you have your tape measure so that you are not going to miscalculate. So have it round. Come to this edge as well. You can just be shifting your hand a little bit. We'll come back and do it so that we'll be rest assured that we have accurate measurements like so. Then we're going to connect our lines like this. So we have our 32 inches marked out. Then we're just going to cut this out. This place, we're just going to cut this out now. Then I'll show you the next step. So we are simply going to cut out this edge like so. Make sure you have your lines. I'm just going to cut out. So after cutting out, we have this is our front, remember, and this is our back. So we are going to place like so, and then we are going to take out or bring out our V shape now. So after cutting it out, we have something like this, and then we'll come to this part that will fall on the shoulder. Remember I said this open edge is our front, and this folded back, the one that is uncut, is our back. So this is the part that will fall on our shoulder. So we are simply going to come to this and then make a deduction where we are going to have our V shape or triangular shape. So we are going to simply come here, bring your tape rule up here. Say like you can take 6 inches or 7 inches up. Then we are simply going to connect the line to this place with the head of our ruler. So for me, I'll be using 6 inches, and I'm going to simply mark that 6 inches like so. I hope you can see and you understand this. I'm simply going to mark the 6 inches like so. As you can see here, measure 6 inches like this. Then I'm going to connect the 6 inches down to this place, the head of my ruler. So I can just bring it like so. Then we are simply going to cut this out. You can increase this measurement of the shoulder if you want, depending on how deep you want your V to be. For me, I'm okay with 6 inches. like this. We have our V shape. So the next thing is for us to just cut our hijab cap. So guys, the next thing for us is to cut out our hijab cap. Remember we subtracted 3 inches from our full length, which was 35 inches, and then we measure out 33 inches, and then we are left with 3 inches for hijab cap. So we are simply going to measure the 3 inches out now. And then for our length, for the hijab cap length, we are going to be using our round face measurement, which was 20 inches plus half inch sewing allowance to join to the hijab. So for the length, I'll be measuring out 3.5 inches for joining as well. And then for the length, I'll be measuring 10.5 or 10 quarter, like so. Then I'll simply connect from this place to this edge like this using my curve ruler. Then we are just going to cut out. Then we have our hijab cap. So this is our hijab cap. I'll make sure that I notched the center, fold it into two like so, and then notch the center where you'll be joining together with your hijab. So I notch the center, and then I'll do the same thing for my hijab. I'll fold my hijab and then notch the center as well. This is my center. Then I'll take this to my sewing machine. I'm simply going to join my hijab cap together with my hijab, and then I'll come back to show you the results. Guys, I'm going to join my hijab cap to my hijab. So if you are using a material, an actual material like mine that draws and does not sew on your fabric, you can either get the needle for lycra material with stretching material, or you simply try this trick by simply cutting a paper into straight ones, and then you're going to just place it on your material, and then you stitch on it like I did here, or you use a paper tape underneath your foot. You're just going to put a small paper tape then to your foot, the machine foot. You're simply going to put it, and then you're going to sew. I think that way you're going to have a good stitch, and then it's not going to be loose. So the next thing for me is just to join the front part here like this. Of course, at the wrong side. I'm just trying to show you. I'm going to bring this edge together like so. Then I'm going to stitch up to this point where I have my cap, hijab cap stopped. Then I'm going to stitch around everything. After sewing the front part, I'm going to stitch the down part. So guys, after I've joined the hijab cap, I'm going to try to likewise join this edge, this open edge for the front, and then I have my hijab ready. So you can simply interlock this edge, or you simply stitch it, or you leave it like this anyhow you want.
Thank you for watching.